Morning, children. Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Now we will start the topic. Sure that there will be no noise from your side. Children, please take care of that. There is no noise from your side. Sit in a separate room. There will be no disturbance from your side. Please take care of those things and listen carefully. Today we are going to complete your block 2 also. So if you listen carefully and your response, if you give that quick response, we will complete the topic. So immediately when I ask the question, you have to respond. So now yesterday we discussed about
Uses of plants.
what are the uses of plants, how the plants, what different types of things the plants provide us. So yesterday we discussed about the medicine, what type of plants, we discussed number of examples, turmeric, tea, aloe vera, mint, and coriander. So all these number of plants we discussed yesterday. And wood also, from which plants we are getting wood, which plants provide us with wood. So shisham, teak, sal, mahogany. So these are the plants which provide wood for us, wood or timber. Next comes to another use, the main use of plants. The plants provides oxygen for us. So without oxygen, there is no life. The plants absorb the carbon dioxide and they releases the oxygen. So it is the good benefit for us. If there is more and more carbon dioxide, if there is no plants, the carbon dioxide will accumulate in atmosphere and it leads to global warming. So present situation is that only what we are facing, the global warming. Because of global warming, there is no rains in time. If rains occur also, they more in, so the more and more rains we will get, that they are called as the erratic situation. Sometimes they will get more rains, sometimes no rains. Such a situation is called erratic conditions. So if the more plant, more vegetation is there, we will overcome that such situations, that problems. So the plants gives us oxygen, and the rubber, the tires, rubber bands, erasers, and some other things which are manufactured from the rubber, it is also a plant product only. From rubber plants, they collect the sap or latex, we call it sap or latex. So sap and latex both are same. So we can call it as sap or latex by using sap or latex, the ties, vehicle ties and rubber bands which we are using erasers in our daily life to erase the writings. So all these are manufactured from the rubber sap, rubber plant. The rubber plant gives the sap and latex. So I asked yesterday question, where the rubber plants are grown in our India, in which region? Do you have any idea? Yesterday I said.
No.
No, yesterday I said. So in the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, in Tamil Nadu, in Kanyakumari district and most part of Kerala, more than 100 years onwards, they are growing rubber plants in plantations. So in our region, we are growing eucalyptus and subabul as plantations for the preparation of paper, manufacturing of paper. So here, in the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, they grow the rubber trees. Why means there the climate is suitable for the growth of those rubber trees. So and also we discussed about the paper also. From which plants we are getting the paper. So what are the different plants? They are useful for the manufacturing manufacturing of paper means what we discussed yesterday. Can you give the examples? Bamboo, eucalyptus, subabul, pine, all these are the trees from which we can prepare the paper. Like that, the plant is provided us with the many. So some other are fiber. Fiber is also the plants provide us fiber. Those are called plant fibers. The best examples are cotton and jute. So from where we get the cotton? Cotton, jute. These two are plant fibers. Cotton and jute are plant fibers. So we get cotton from cotton plant, jute from jute plant. So what is the use of cotton means what we are wearing? Kiriti, quiz. Please respond. What is your doubt? So
What is
Kiriti, what is your doubt, beta?
how to get paper in Sobabul, teacher?
Subabul. From the subabul plant, also paper nowadays, the bamboo is completed in our forest. So we are using the subabul and the eucalyptus for the preparation of paper. So we are growing in plantations in our region. And next comes to the fiber. The plant fiber, cotton and jute. Jute is from jute plant and cotton from cotton plant. Cotton fiber is used for the making of cotton cloths, manufacturing of cotton cloths which we are wearing. So in most summer we used to wear the cotton cloth. And fiber, jute. Jute is used for the making of jute bags and mats. Gunny bags we are saying in Telugu it is called as goni sanchulu. For the grain storage of grains and onions and nowadays for we are using as carry bags also. So number of uses, number of design bags are prepared and also mats, number of mats also prepared by using the jute. So jute and cotton are the plant fibers. So this is also one of the use the plant provide us with fiber also. And next comes to another use, dyes. Dyes are nothing but colors. So henna plant. Henna means henna, mehandi. So henna is nothing but mehandi. So mehandi, the henna is used as a natural dye to color our hair. Henna is used as natural dye to color our hair and to decorate our hands. On the days of festivals and marriages or functions, whatever it may be, we are decorating our hands with the henna. So henna gives the leaves of the henna plant. It gives the very good color, beautiful color to our hands, and also it is a natural color to color our hairs. And also some other plants provide colors to color our clothes. These are the natural colors which we are getting from the plants. So here number of uses are there. Plants provide medicine, wood, oxygen, rubber, paper, fiber, mineral, that means dyes. And also at the time of religious ceremonies, we use the twigs and leaves of some of the plants. What plants we use at the time of religious ceremonies? Mango leaves, neem leaves, and banana leaves. The mango and neem twigs we hang in front of our homes, in front of our houses. So at the time of religious ceremonies. So like that also the plants provide us many benefits and also gum. Do you have any idea from where to get the gum? So acacia. Acacia is the name of your plant. In Telugu it is called paper and so many things. So that gum also we will get from the acacia plant. These are the some of the uses of plants. And before class we discussed about the food material which we get from the plants. So not only human beings, human beings means big people. So the animals also depend upon plants. How the animals depend upon plants? How the animals depend upon plants means, can you give how animals also depend upon plants?
Yes, teacher.
How animals depend upon plants? So
Animals eat plants.
okay, very good. So directly or indirectly, animals depend upon the plants. So some birds eat the nuts, some grains, and some small animals like squirrels, they eat the nuts. And the animals, those who called as herbivores. Herbivores. So herbivores means only plant-eating animals. Plant-eating animals are called as herbivores. So that means the animals completely they are depending upon the plants. Can you give the example of animals? Those who eat only grass or the only plants? Cows, goats, deers. So giraffe. These are
Teacher.
yes, these are the some of the animals which depend directly on the plants. They eat only plants and live. So those animals are called herbivores. So herbivores, not only herbivores, all the animals they depend, but they directly depend on the plants. And trees are the home for most of the birds and the animals. The birds they arrange nest on the plants by using the twigs of the plant and the leaves of the plants. And most of the animals like monkeys, they live on the tree, squirrels, monkeys, and small insects like the ants and other also the trees are home for those. And owls they live in the hollow parts of the plant, trees, the trunks. Some of the trunks having the hollow parts, torral, cheddu torral antaru kada. So like that, the owls live in the hollow parts, the hollow region of the tree trunks. So like that, most of the animals, and also the tall grasses. The leopards they hide in between the tall grasses to catch their prey. To catch their prey. And some animals to protect from the predators, they themselves they hide in the tall bushes. So like that, for the hiding also the plants. That means the plants giving protection for the animals. So, like that, the animals also depend upon the plants. Are you clear about that? How animals depend upon plants? How animals depend upon plants? Sai, Manogna. What you are doing, beta? Are you listening, Sai?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, how animals depend upon plants? Plants provide the shelter for the some of the animals, and plants are used as the food for the animals. Yes. Reading. Respond beta.
You
Reading.
said for animals.
Yes, very good. It gives plants give shelter for the animals. So like that, plants and also the plants where the plants are more. It indirectly plants also helpful in the getting the rains. How can we say that plants are helpful in the getting the rains? Do you have any idea? So rains also we get rains by into the atmosphere through the pores. The leaves having the leaves having lower side of the leaf, upper side of the leaf is the leaf blade is very smooth. Upper side of the leaf blade is very smooth. Lower side of the leaf having small pores like this. In this structure, in this form, they are having small pores. These small pores are called as stomata. It is called as stomata. So through this stomata, it will evaporate the water into the atmosphere. So when once all the plants, it will evaporate the excess water into the atmosphere. So the water will goes and add into the water cycle. That means it forms the clouds. It evaporates, the water evaporates, it comes out of the plant and it forms the clouds. That means it is joining the water cycle. So like that, where the vegetation is more, where the plants are more, there we will get the more rains. So because of that reason, we have to grow more and more plants, more and more trees. We should not cut the trees. So like that, the plants also give us rains. And they with the animals, the plants also provide shelter for the animals. So like that, plants and animals, human beings and animals, we are depending upon the plants. Are you clear about this? What are the uses of plants to the human beings and the animals? Up to this clear to you, beta? If you respond, I will go to next topic. Up to this clear for you, children? How the plants depend upon, how animals. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Very good. So not only human beings and animals depend upon plants, sometimes plants also depend upon animals.
Human beings.
Yes, human beings. So
The
plants.
mud is the plant.
So not only the animals depend upon plants, sometimes the plants also depend upon animals. So the humus, the organic manure which is getting from the animals, it is useful for the plants. And also the animals helpful in the dispersal of seeds. For example, parrot eats the fruit of a plant. It will catches in its beak and it will go to some far places and it will throw there. Crows, parrots, and animals like squirrels, they eat the nuts and they will throw somewhere else. So they again new plants arises. That means the animals helpful in the dispersal of seeds. With that, the new plants will arise in some other region. So like that, the animals also, the plants also depend upon animals. So not only these uses, the plants provide us a fuel. So how we are getting fuel from the plants? So not only wood, coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, all these comes from the some plants also a part in preparation of those. So how? Meaning, so the dead bodies of plants, the debris of plants, plant bodies, plant and animal bodies both. That means here plants are also included in this. So the plant and animal debris, the leaves, dead bodies, the dead plant bodies. So the plant and animal bodies, they will buried in the deep inside the earth. So deep inside the earth there is heavy pressure. So the plant and animal debris, they buried inside the earth and they converted into coal, petrol and all those. But it is not a easy process. It is not a easy process. It will take millions of years. It will take millions of years to convert the plant and animal debris into coal and other fuels. So because of that reason, what the natural fuels we are getting. So have to use in a limited manner. We have to use in a judicial manner. So we should not use in excess. We should not extract in excess manner. So these are the limited sources. The natural sources are limited sources. It will take millions of years to form. So plants also a part in getting the natural fuels like coal and the petrol, diesel, other things. So up to this, clear for you, beta? So we will go for the next topic if we clear about these things. Have you
Teacher, petrol gets in underground.
please say slowly, but I am not getting it. Your voice is not clear. Please say slowly.
Ma'am, petrol gets in underground.
Petrol.
Gets in underground, teacher. Teacher.
Petrol, diesel, these are the byproducts.
Ma'am.
Diesel, kerosene, all these comes from inside the ground only. So by reading plant and animal bodies only these are forming. By heavy pressure
Ma'am.
inside the earth. So by burning these debris, plant and animal debris only
Ma'am.
forming. Yes.
Some liquids give plants, ma'am.
What better Manogna?
Some liquids give plants, ma'am.
Yes. Liquids also get from plants, oils we will get.
Ma'am, animals.
Yes. So, like that, we are having different uses from the plants. So, we are depending completely on the plants and animals. So, here we are discussing about only plants. So, I said about the some of the uses of the plants, how we are depending upon the plants, how animals depending upon the plants. So, this is about your plants and animals, sorry, human beings and animals, how they depend upon the plants, what are the different uses of the plants. After this clear for you, I will go to the next topic, the last topic in your lesson. Do you have any idea about one more also? Children, recently,
What, teacher?
recently we celebrated one more also.
Republic Day. Rupanya kok dapat army kosan katanya kita sama dulu.
Do you have any idea about one more also? So, we in India we are celebrating one Mahotsav. So why we are celebrating with one Mahotsav? When onwards we are celebrating one Mahotsav means from 1950 onwards. From 1950 onwards, under the leadership of our first Prime Minister. Who is our first Prime Minister? Who is our first Prime Minister? Anyone? So the Jawaharlal Nehru, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, he is our first Prime Minister. So the One Mahotsav is started in the year of 1950. Year of 1950, the One Mahotsav is started. So from that day onwards, annually means yearly once. Every year in the month of July. Which month? In the month of July, first week.
Animals.
So, first week of July, in the month of July, first week of July means recently we completed one Mahotsav. So, what is one Mahotsav? Every year in the first week of July, we are celebrating the one Mahotsav. That means we are planting the saplings. Saplings are nothing but young trees. Small young trees are called saplings. So millions of saplings we are planting around the India. So in the first week of July, in all schools, offices, colleges, hospitals, and on the near the bus stands, railway stations, on either side of the roads. So everywhere we are planting the saplings in millions number. So why we have to do this? So one council is nothing but planting the saplings in every region, like schools, colleges, hospitals, and wherever we found the space, there we will plant the saplings. So why we have to plant these? So what is the use? So why we are celebrating the one also to create the awareness among the people. So what awareness we are creating? So awareness means what awareness by celebrating the one also, what type of awareness we are creating among the people. So we are trying to explain the uses of plants, the benefits of planting the sapling. Benefits of planting the saplings. So what are the benefits if we plant a sapling? So what are the benefits? So we are creating the awareness of the benefits of the planting saplings and also harmful effects of cutting trees. So what are the benefits? Means if we grow more and more trees, so there will be a more and more availability of oxygen. Nowadays, so we are cutting down the trees and we are purchasing the oxygen and we are inhaling. So such situation came nowadays. So if we want to overcome such problems, we have to plant more and more trees. So with that, the trees they will absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and they will release the oxygen. So and with the plants, with the more vegetation, we will get the more and more rains. So multi benefits are there. So by planting the saplings, so there are more benefits are there. The rains will come in time, we will get the more oxygen, and the animals also get the shelter. So like that, and we will overcome the problem of global warming. If the carbon dioxide percentage is going on decrease from the atmosphere, so we will automatically we will overcome the problem of global warming. So we can decrease the percentage of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which creates more and more heat. So like that, multi benefits are there by planting the saplings. So what are the harmful effects if we cut the trees? Do you have any idea? Just now I said. So do you have any idea if we cut the trees, what will happen in the environment? What are the harmful effects? Do you have any idea? Single harm, you can say. What will happen if we cut the trees? If we going on cut the trees, the regions converted into desert areas. So there will be no rains in time. If we cut more and more trees, there will be no rains in time, and the region will become converted into desert areas, and there is no shelter for the animals, and the carbon dioxide concentration, the carbon dioxide gas going on accumulated in the atmosphere. When the carbon dioxide more and more accumulated in the atmosphere, the more and more heat increases in the atmosphere. So like this, lot of harmful effects are there if we cut down the trees. So I said in the first week of July, we are celebrating the one Mahotsav. Why they decided only in the month of July and that too in the first week? Why? Do you have any idea? Any guess?